Hi, this is Dr. Britton. I'm just going for a walk. I'm in beautiful Santa Monica right now. And one thing I love doing is seeing everything that's going on and just seeing the people out here. One thing that would really disrupt my quality of life is if I couldn't just go for walks without knee pain, without back pain. I'm 50 now. I feel like I did when I was in my 20s. If you're having pains, maybe not stopping you from working because we all got to work. Definitely doesn't stop you from paying your taxes because you got to pay taxes. But you go for a walk and your knee starts clicking, your back hurts, or you can't keep up with your kids and your friends and family. Come join us at West LA Medical. See what it's like to turn back the clock. Between using things of regenerative medicine, getting your cells back to the level that they used to be, making sure your orthopedic joints are working right, getting some lube in there, using umbilical tissue cord products, we can help you feel your best. Anyways, this is where I'm at, where I get to do walking. Come join us and so you can shoot your own video talking about how it's great to reclaim your body and have your life feeling the way it used to be. Thanks a lot.